looks like we're going to be getting some frost tonight, and actually we've been away for a few days, and it looks like we may have even already had some frost or very low temperatures when I look at some of my plants in the yard. So I've been out here this morning just picking off the peppers, and I'm going to work on the tomatoes next, but I thought I'd show you what I've gotten off the peppers. As you can see, I have some frost covers over my plants there, so they've survived where the dahlias and the sweet potato vine and that haven't on my flower beds, but I think I better get them off because it looks like we're going to get some real cold, freezing weather tonight, not just frost. So thought I better get them off just in case and preserve what I have, and hopefully I'll get some more warm days and the plants survive under these frost covers. Maybe I'll get more later on in the year, but this could be the end of it. So let me show you what I got for peppers so far, and then I'll do my tomatoes. So that's a good bucket of peppers I've been taking off. I'm hoping to do another video here better on what I have going on here to protect the plants from the cold, but as you can see, they're still looking really good, and so far these plants are surviving, but they're calling for 1 degree Celsius tonight. And I'm not sure even these measures here are going to be enough to withstand that. So I'm going to take what I can off the plants now and cross my fingers, but this could be the last harvest. It's September the 3rd, I believe, today. And there's the eggplant. Got a few big ones in there. You see this one. So big. You can see that. It's huge. So, a few good eggplant. They don't store really well that I found, so I'll definitely be giving those away. Oh, it is cold out here. I don't know what it is. It must be only around 10-12 degrees Celsius. Yeah. It's chilly, so gotta get this done and get back in the house and have a warm coffee. So there's the tomatoes. There's a bunch sitting there on top of the eggplant, and there's a couple of onions in there. And I ran out of room, so there's some more. You can see some are still pretty green, but they're starting to turn, so I tried to take as many of those as I could, just because they'll ripen inside, and like I said, I just don't know if the plants are going to last through tonight. So a little bucket there with some of the tiny Tims and chocolate sprinkles and other cherry tomatoes that I have there. So, and I still have a couple plants up on the deck that have some hanging there too, so I'll be grabbing some more cherries off of there as well. But look at the plants, like they're just, see, there's tomatoes everywhere, but they're still pretty green. If you can see that, sorry if I'm making you dizzy, but definitely still lots on there. So I'm hoping that I can keep the plants going through tonight. And it's supposed to get warmer out for the next week or so at least, so another week of warm weather would sure be nice to help get these tomatoes to the stage where I could pull them off, because I think they're just too green now to take them and try and get them to ripen in the house. I'm going to take my chances of leaving them out here. So I hope you're having warmer weather where you are, and I'll let you know how this turns out. Thanks for watching. Bye.